There are many reasons why people would want to join Tutortoo. Let me tell you a little bit about my own journey. I was single parent in education, teaching for a number of years, and I'd reached the stage where I knew that the education system was not working and it was frustrating me immensely, and I just wanted something else. I wanted to be able to start my own business, had no idea what I actually wanted to do, and having issues with my own son who's got special educational needs, this was the route that I kind of fell into, if you like, and as a result of that, I have found something that is immensely satisfying and has been now for a number of years. But that's, as I say, a very personal story. People have all sorts of different reasons. This applies to people who want to start their own business, want to become their own boss, want to just have some freedom, some time freedom, some financial freedom to do the things that they actually want to do. But ultimately, it's going to suit people who really do want to make a difference, do want to actually have some input into other people's lives that says, come on, I can help you do this, I can help you succeed, and I can help you get to where you actually want to get to.